Welcome back. Today's video is going to be about artificial intelligence software engineer and how are they paid in India. So towards the end, I'll be answering some of your questions as well. So stick on to the end. Now, before we head over to how it's going to be as a role or as a professional of being an artificial intelligence software engineer, we are just going to basically know about what is AI. So how it is being implemented, what is the definition? So AI or artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence to process or program machines. So we use this on a regular basis as well. Artificial intelligence is not something out of space or something which is lands in the universe. We use that every single day on a regular basis as well. So artificial intelligence is being used for self-driving cars, for proactive healthcare management, and also it will be useful for manufacturing of robots. So this is the typical or the basic usage of artificial intelligence. It will convert all of the human intelligence into the machines or on computers. So this will be a balance, or this will be helpful in understanding machine language and also human intelligence as well. So got a clear idea about AI. We are just going to look at the definition so that you will get an idea. So artificial intelligence, as mentioned here, it is a computer system's ability to mimic or understand the human behavior or human intelligence. The machines demonstrates this as a sort of intelligence which can also be compared to the natural intelligence that humans have, and also the animals demonstrate. So this is just like understanding the human behavior and also the human intelligence on a machine. The next off, we are going to know about this particular AI as a software engineer. So AI software engineer, what is the job role is going to be like, and who is this person called and where this person can be found. So all of this we are going to know about this. So as you have just known about what is AI and how it is being used, we'll know about this. Now before we get into the core definition of an AI software engineer, I would be clearly telling you what a software engineer does so that you will easily understand. A software engineer actually creates, maintains and also manages software applications. So this is being very simple language, you can understand easily. It is all about dealing or implementing the person himself professionally in software applications. So the person will be able to build AI models by using various algorithms accordingly. So this software engineer AI will be implementing artificial intelligence models by using various other tools and algorithms respectively. Along with that, the person also will be having a hands-on deep learning on neural networks as well. And the second foremost thing that you have to know about this AI software engineer is helps in business insights and data science as well. Now this AI software engineers are divided into two categories. The first one is software developers and the second one is system developers. So this is a basic or entry level kind of intro to AI software engineers. So now that you have known about what does a software engineer does, we will now get into the definition part. Now, the AI software engineer is responsible to build and also to maintain or to convert the models into APIs that can be consumed by the other applications as well. So as I've mentioned, this person is going to be all working on software applications. So the next one which we are going to know is about the skills that this person should have. So as you have known the working or the role that he is into, what are the skills that he or she should know? The person should know about various other programming skills, linear algebra, probability and also its statistics, Spark and big data technologies, and the primary focus is going to be knowing about the algorithms and frameworks, because it is due to these algorithms and frameworks only this person is going to build up the AI models. And then it is going to be about communication and problem solving skills, because you'll be working in a team. And next is AI developer and architect, and then it is machine learning. So you should know about various programs and also how you have to maintain and implement them appropriately. So next one is about responsibility or the work. What does he do? So apart from the core points that I've just mentioned, what does this AI engineer does? So as I've told, he builds up AI models using machine learning algorithms and also deep learning neural networks. So this will be bringing out the business insights which can be used to make business decisions, and also this will be useful for the development of a particular organization or a company itself. Now the next slide is going to be telling you about how you can become yourself if you want to develop of an AI software engineer. These are the things that you need to do. You need to have a very good grasp on the programming languages, which is Python, Java, C++, and others. An AI engineer also should have an analytical thought processes and also the ability to solve problems as well in a cost-effective manner, and also should be able to bring efficient solutions to whichever AI model which he or she is developing. The next one which you are going to see is about the job roles that you are going to get as an AI software engineer. So the artificial intelligence engineer, as an IT expert, you can be in the development intelligence algorithms, learning, analyzing, and also predicting the future events as to how the growth is going to be and how it's going to be implemented, how it is going to be change and innovation on the whole. The role is also to create, maintain machines in the capable of reasoning like the human brains as well. So as I've just given an example in the beginning, it is also useful for manufacturing of robots. So this is just like a human in a machine form, right? So the AI software engineer is wholly responsible for this. So on a daily basis, as I've said, it is to also mission develop intelligence and capable learning analysis. All of this is going to be taken in the core element or the core procedure of proactive healthcare management. So this is a core essential feature that they are going to be using as an AI software engineer. And the next one is going to be about the pay scales. Now as you're going to see the bars here, you have the entry level, the median level, and here you are going to senior level. The average on the whole, you are going to get around 7 lakhs around being an AI software engineer in India. So places wise or an entry level wise or an experience wise, this is the graphs shown. There is no fluctuation as of such in the graph. So here are the pays and here is the entry level. So there are no n number of years in between. So right from the entry level you will be getting around 607k. So within 4 years you can rise up to around 814. So 814k around, you can easily grasp your peaks up there without any sort of fluctuations. So you can see the graph which is not having any sort of fluctuation, having a total rise of 822k within the 4 years gap. The next one which you are going to see is going to be in Bangalore, and Bangalore, which is going to be a COPUP or the main core point or place where you can be starting off your career. It's going to be around 12 lakhs on an average pay scale basis. So this is just an average source that we have taken from pay scale. So this is just on average basis only. So if you have more skills, you can directly land up on a senior level basis as well. Now the next stop, we are going to know about some of the frequently asked questions or frequently doubts that we usually have as to how you can become this AI software engineer, what does it take, and all of the relevant questions possible. So the first question is, how you can become an AI software engineer. So as this is a technical job, you obviously need a degree in a computer's background, and along with that you should also have relevant skills which are very essential in order to be an AI software engineer. Not just a degree which is going to help you, but the relevant skills also are very essential to incorporate this under a very good cutting edge technology. The second question is, what is the career path and or how this career is going to start of an AI software engineer. Now at an entry level, you are going to be under the management of various other projects. You will be handling up various other management roles of taking up projects, knowing about them, implementing them, as to designing them, etc. Now after that you will be going up as a senior, and then you can also be a technical architect or a chief technical officer as well, CTO. So all of these are the career path of an AI software engineer. And the third question is, will this going to be a good career? Now, I cannot say that no career is bad or this career is super high or superficial or something like that. This career also is going to be very good enough, but only if you enjoy coding, if you also have relevant problem solving skills regarding this arena. So if you have any sort of skills like this, or if you enjoy coding, anything which is relevant to programming or anything, then yes, this is going to be a very good career for you. The fourth question is, now if you have started yourself as an AI software engineer, what will this take in the future? Will the future hold a very good rise, or will this drop down in the future? So as you have seen the graph recently, you have not seen any sort of fluctuation. According to the Bureau Labor Statistics as well, there is a 21% increase in the rise of AI software engineer. Now how good is that? Right from 2018 ranging up to 2028. So in between these years, there is going to be an increment eventually year after year in candidates or people becoming AI software engineers as well. The fifth one is, as I've said, this software engineer is going to be taking up AI models or building up AI models. So what is the field that you are going to choose? There are many fields or many factors or many components which are interlinked with this. There are many other fields also that you can choose to. Now the first thing is you have to know your niche. So knowing your niche means what you are interested in and what is the ability that you can put up to, so that you can bring out a very good outlook of the AI model. So this can be under gaming, this can be under healthcare management, this can be in building up self-driving cars, or if you are very interested in building a human form into a robot, building up robots, manufacturing of robots, anything which is related to bringing out the artificial intelligence into action, you can take up any field that you can incorporate with. If you have any other queries or if you have any other suggestions, place them in the comment section, subscribe, and thank you for watching.